text color as black. In this one, the price section, I want the different text color, which is, let's say, anything like, I don't have green, so I will choose it from the custom. Okay. Yeah. Then now text size is a little bit bigger than the, let's say, 20 psp. The text style as bold. On the next, yeah, text style as bold. Text style as speak. Text color as black. So in my old layout, you can see this one is at the left corner, this one is at the right corner, and this one is the in center. So you want to change that. The last where the capacity, I want it in the right corner. I can give it a gravity and end. It's, yeah, gravity. Yes, gravity at center, and this one I want it on the same side. Okay, now you can see it is a little bit messy. I want the right margin, right padding over here. So first thing, I want to give margin to my card view. Here is our card view. I want to give it margin, let's say, from horizontal I want 25 dp. Yes, now here you can see it is having the margin only. See, margin vertical to be like 10. Yes, and inside of it I want a little bit margin over here. So first text view is the name of the document. Margin vertical, let's say, 20, yes, 20 dp. And for this linear layout, I want a margin from all the side. This is 10. Yes, 10 dp looks good. Now you can see how this layout is ready, right? This inside layout is ready. I want this another cardio on the top of it. Yes, so because of that only I included the constraint layout here. So here is our linear layout. Let me check once again. This is the card view. I want another card view after that. It is there. Yeah, card view, it's mat wrap content, and it's card background. Card background should be proper, and the card elevation should be like card corner radius should be 50 dB. So it is now not constrained over here. So I want to constrain it now, say properly here. You can see, if let me open the card view. Yeah, here is a card view of that layout. You can see these two, the right side and the left side constraints are going to the parent, but the top and the bottom are going on this card view top, because I want it on top of it. So what I will do, here you can see I gave it an ID to our constraint layout. This is the ID, and I want this card layout should have an ID of serial. Okay, come back here. I will start constraining it. Constraint it start to the start of hold our linear constraint layout, and constraint into the end of constraint layout, but the constraint top to the top of our card view. See, okay, and this constraint constraint bottom to the top of our card view. Now I haven't added anything in our card layout, so it is showing me nothing. If I add one text view inside our card view, wrap content, and the text should be the date, anything like that. Page one, it's a 5. Now you can see it is behind my booking app. So what I want a little bit more margin here. For this card view, I will just take out this vertical and I will add margin top, let's say on 40 dp, and the elevation here I want, let's say 30, because it is on top of this card view. I gave that old card view an elevation of 20, so I want more elevation on this card view, so it will be on top of it. Right now it is a black text, so you can't see anything. It's a text color to white. It is now visible. Around padding, now padding horizontal should be like TDP, and padding vertical should be like say 10, let's say 12 dp is okay. Yeah, you can see the layout is ready. Yes, the hotel I want more margin here at the hotel name. There is margin vertical I want to tell it more. Yes, now you can see the basic layout what you want is ready. So till now, any doubts here? You might have many doubts. Yeah. Any
Please
doubts
ask if you have
till
any.
now? This is a little tricky one task, so I'm giving it on Saturday, so you can work on it on Sunday also. Yes. Any doubts?
Clear, sir.
Okay, you all are clear with this task.
Yes, sir.
So I want
Sir,
the same layout should be repeated more times. Yes. So what I will just minimize this linear layout which we included, copy it, and just paste it. Right? So it is repeating itself. It is repeated. And now if I load my app once again, something is missing. I want to close it something. Yeah, here text view is not closed. Yes, so now it shouldn't have any problem. I'll minimize this, copy it, and let me reload it. You can see it looks decent. We have all the dotted palettes here and a custom app bar which is not moving when we scroll. So is that clear what we want to build here?
Yes, sir.
So can you do it, all of you?
Yes, sir.
sir, I will try,
Ramyanan, is
sir.
it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
If is there any confusion, please ask here.
सर कार्ड व्यू किस लिए यूज किया गया है यहाँ पे?
Yeah, you can see in my emulator, the first card is which I used is this for app bar. Okay, the next one card view I used is this for making this and the next card view is for this one to give a date like 3 June to 5 June, and for another card view is here. Okay, and I just repeated this whole thing for several times.
Okay, sir.
Any other doubts? So make sure you are using which I've said here. I am using the another constraint layout here. Make sure you use this ID while constraining your inside card view here. Don't make it as a parent here. If you do it as a parent, it will not show in your here. Let's say I'll change it and make it a parent. You can see my first card view is literally gone. Yes. So make sure you are using the same constraint layout to make it more visualized and you don't get any errors. Right now I'm getting 16 errors. So why is that? This is because I'm using the same ID when I repeat it inside here. So when we professionally build an app something like that where we have a list of something like this, we professionally use the recycler view. Okay, where we first retrieve the some like a hotel name data, the date data, the price data from our database. Then we take the all the data, store it in our array list, and then with using the adapter and view holder, we display it in our layout. So if I start a recycler view now only, it will be little tricky. So I'm not starting it the recycler view. This is not how we build professional apps. When we want to include this kind of stuff, we use the recycler view. So for just layout practice to get to know how the layout weight is used or how the scroll view is used, I am giving you this task. Okay.
Hello,
Okay,
sir.
Yes.
हेलो सर,
Yes, sir.
हमें मतलब ये कैसे पता चलेगा कि लीनियर लेआउट यूज करना है या कंस्ट्रेंट लेआउट यूज करना है रिलेटिव
ओके
लेआउट?
अभी अभी आप देखो, यहाँ भी देख रहा हो तो अभी now what I want is I want this first palette should be on top of this palette and this palette on should be on top of this palette. Yes, we are want this in vertically alignment, is right? We want one after one. So when there is a situation we want the elements to be one after one, we use the linear layout. You can do the same thing with constraint layout, but while you are using the constraint layout inside of the linear layout, it will become harder. So what I did, I used the main linear layout to show all this. Inside one, for this one palette, I use the linear layout, and inside that linear layout, I give the constraint layout to build this type of overlay effect, overlapping
Okay,
effect. You can't get this overlapping effect with linear layout. If you use the linear layout here inside, it will be just on top of it. It will not merge on it like this. Okay.
okay, sir.
So for this task, it is not compulsory all of you to build this same layout. Okay, you can have your own layout, but there is a criteria. I want all of you to make sure you build your custom app bar. You all should include something stuff with the linear layout and some stuff with the scroll view. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You if you don't want to say build the same layout which I showed you can just skip it and go with your own layout, but make sure you are using the custom app bar, the card views, linear layout, and scroll view. I want all that things should be included in your UI. Okay. Is there any doubt? Yes, Pravina ma'am.
No, sir. No doubts, sir.
Ramya ma'am, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yeah. So tomorrow is Sunday. You can think about it if you want to go with the same layout or whichever layout you want. But make sure you use all this linear layout, scroll view, constraint layout, and custom app bar scroll view. Yep. If there are no doubts, we will end this meet here. Is
Hello.
there anything I should explain?
Hello, Abhi sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So interns, there is one task. Can you please share the task? That YouTube one about the YouTube video.
I don't have it in my laptop. I will just do it. Hello, ma'am.
So yeah, interns, what? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
So what you do, there's a small task. You just have to like and comment on the YouTube video. We will share the video in the group. You just have to like and comment on the YouTube video and share with as many as friends you can. And please share the screenshots and with the PDF. Like make the PDF and share the screenshot in the group itself.
You can say
Okay, ma'am.
inside your Technoplay
Okay, ma'am.
Plus group, there is a video shared by Raju sir. You all might have seen the induction problem which they have conducted for you. Video is same on the YouTube channel. You all have to just like and comment on it and share it, and just send the comments or like PDF screenshot.
In
Okay,
the group
sir.
only.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So shall we
Okay,
end the
then
meet?
if there are no doubts, we should end. Okay.
No doubt.
Okay, sir.
Okay. We will end this
Okay
meet
then.
here. Thank you.
Yeah.